the SoundPEATS Opera 3 and Opera 5. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at the Opera 3 and Opera 5 by SoundPEATS. At the making of this video, it's currently in Kickstarter. This is SoundPEATS' release into the premium audiophile category. The two are very similar with just a minor difference, which I will mention later on. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. I have the 3 on the left and the 5 on the right. Each come with an assortment of ear tips and a USB-C charging cable. The earbuds feature 33 hours of listening time with ANC off and 28 hours with it on. Uses Bluetooth 5.3, SBC, AAC, LDAC codec, 12mm dynamic drivers, and balanced armature drivers. The main difference is that the 3 features a single balanced armature driver and the 5 features dual balanced armature drivers. ANC and transparency modes and app integration. Touch controls, USB-C for charging, and it's IPX4 water resistant. Taking a look at the cases, the 3 has a matte finish all around with a glossy rose gold finish towards the top. The back has the branding, and on the front you'll find the status LED. To the left is the pairing button, and the back has a USB-C charge port. The 5 has the same case but has a champagne gold accenting all around towards the top. Same as the 3, it has the branding on the back, LED on the front, pairing button on the left side, and USB-C charge port on the back. And here they are side by side. You can see they're identical in size. The lid opens smoothly and it has a nice snap to it, and the earbuds are easy to grip and remove from the case. Taking a look at the Opera 3 earbuds, it is on the larger side. The gold accenting are around the sides and on the outer face. The microphones are on the top and on the bottom, and you have a large surface for the touch controls. And here is a look at the 5s. Same design with the champagne gold accenting all around and on the outer face. And navigating the controls is just a few taps. And here they are side by side. This has app integration, and once you're connected you can see the battery levels, toggle ANC and transparency modes, select from EQ presets, or customize your own. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample. I'll switch back from the 3 and the 5.
Dazzling like with diamonds in the light, glowing in the night like fireflies, blushing like the sunset in your eyes, floating like a halo paradise. Somehow you make all the wrong things right, now that I got you. Dazzling like with diamonds in the light, glowing in the night like fireflies, blushing like the sunset in your eyes, floating like a halo paradise. Somehow you make all the wrong things right, now that I got you.
Yeah, trying to get a lot of dough and dirt through all the obstacles, cause anything is possible. Yeah, oh man, I got a lot of goals, stack that bread and by my nose, anything is possible. Yeah, trying to get a lot of dough and dirt through all the obstacles, cause anything is possible. Hey, oh man, I got a lot of goals, stack that bread and by my nose, anything is possible. Hey. Yeah. Trying to get a lot of dough and dirt through all the obstacles, cause anything is possible. Yeah. Oh man, I got a lot of goals. Stack that bread and by my nose. Anything is possible. Yeah. Trying to get a lot of dough and dirt through all the obstacles, cause anything is possible. Hey. Oh man, I got a lot of goals. Stack that bread and by my nose. Anything is possible. Hey.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the SoundPEATS Opera 3 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the SoundPEATS Opera 5 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone came in loud and clear, and other parties had no issues hearing me. Here are my thoughts on the earbuds. They work comfortable and seated well in my ears. Take the time to find the correct tips so they form a nice seal. You will feel some pressure in your ear canals after an extended period of time, but the touch controls help alleviate the additional pressure. Build-in quality is good. The earbuds have a premium look and feel to it. The case feels durable along with the earbuds. I like the accenting on the gold on both of the models. They do protrude out a bit, and some might find it a bit too large. Touch controls were a bit sensitive for me, as I found myself activating the controls by just brushing up to the surface. Battery life is respectable at 33 hours total with the case, and I like the app integration along with the EQ presets. The ANC worked as advertised and it canceled the surroundings well. I would say it's in line with what you would find at this price point, and the transparency feature picked up the surroundings loud and clear. Now when it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, it was punchy and tight. Definitely not lacking, and it doesn't overwhelm. Mids and highs come in clean and clear, and there's good separation. Vocals and instruments stand out, and there's a wide sound stage. Very crisp sounding. The Opera 5s just stand out a bit more at every level. You get more bass and a bit more brighter sounds. Overall, these two models by SoundPEATS are pretty good sounding. The 3s come in at $79 and the 5s come in at $99. If budget is not an issue, I would just go for the 5s. That's not to say the 3s aren't as good, but you'll definitely get a bit more sound for the 5s. So that is my review of the SoundPEATS Opera 3 and Opera 5. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.